I'm going to show you our beginnings in the AI world. As you can see, we started as creating with animated stuff, like for memes, or just using our creativity to create images from whatever niche that we wanted to do, like Pokemon and Tom and Jerry and that kind of stuff. And at this time, we were just trying to understand how this world works, trying to understand how we have to talk to the AI to have better results, and lighting and composition in camera angles and that kind of stuff. So here was all about that creativity and starting to learn which platforms we could use to have good images.
First of all, we start like thinking that AI, yes, we think seriously that it's going to replace many people, many industries, many professions. We have it clear. I mean, when we start with AI, we start because we thought obviously this is amazing. This is something that completely is going to replace photography, is going to replace animation, and we like it or not, this is going to happen because AI is not going to stop. AI is every year, every time, every second is improving, is better and better. Big companies in the world, Nvidia and the massive companies in this planet are invested a lot of money in AI. So I think there is a complete respectful posture where people is upset about AI. They don't like AI. They are haters, completely haters of AI, and that is normal. We have to everyone have a respectful opinion. But in our case, we start looking like, okay, AI is happening, AI is giving this type of results because this is amazing. I mean, you if you can see the details, the characters, the smoke, the facial expressions. This is something that, as you know before, is going to take a lot of time, a lot of effort in production, money, etc. And now is something that we can just have with a good direction, with a good prompt, with a good tool, and having in so fast time. So in something I want to say that we love about AI is that we start like don't be afraid about to be replaced. We are looking for how the creativity can be something real in this way, obviously, because this is not art. I don't do it with my hands, but this is completely real. You can see the images, you can see the videos. This is something is happening. So the first of all is AI can be the door, the open door for creativity and imagination, to have it here, to you do something with it. Because in this moment of our journey, when we start using AI for this type of animation, we just don't know at that point how can we monetize this. But we are going to start making different type. We are going to know the tools, we are going to know how to make this type of results. But something that is important before we start, like the master class that we already start, but this is just like the beginning, the intro. Please make a portfolio. Please make an account, and not your personal account. Make an Instagram, make a Pinterest, wherever you want, where you start posting your results and your creations, because this is a journey that, first of all, if you want to make a business, people is going to value a lot, because this is seriously our journey. I mean, this is where we start. Our first images, our first creation was this type of things that are completely from our minds, from the characters that everybody knows how are they going to be in the universe we got in our minds. For example, what happened if Po of Kung Fu Panda eat a happy dumpling? That is basically the idea behind this. What happened if our favorite characters of Pokemon were a gang in New York Brooklyn streets, And that type of idea, we just start making it real with the AI. So that's first of all, you start doing a portfolio, start experimenting, start making whatever you got in your mind with the AI, because it's basically the best way to start using it, to start making something with it.